and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know the past 1 week I didn't post anything because I wanted to have a quiet, nice Diwali time with my family and friends, and that's what I did. I'm sorry I didn't post any Diwali special videos, and yeah, my friends are upset. Shweta is like,
why don't you post videos?
I was like, I just want to spend time with you guys. But anyway, we have vlogged on Diwali day. We have shot few visuals. We would release it very soon so you guys can see what we have done on Diwali day and maybe yeah, be part of our celebration, though it happened 2 days back. Anyway, today I thought of making a video about favorite things from the past month, that is October favorites. So this is something that I'm going to come up with every month, that is every month's favorites. It can be books, it can be songs, it can be products, it can be anything, like, you know, what I found really like special, or you know, something that caught my attention. It can be products. So you can see there are a few products lying here. So I am going to talk about October's favorites, and I'm just keeping things in order. So let me start. So as last month I was talking more about mental health, and you know, there was a lot more videos about mental health and interviews about mental health. I thought I should start with 2 products that helped me during my depression and anxiety time. One is, like I always say, that I need smell, a good smell to distract myself from anxiety, depression. So here it is. These are candles from Bath and Body Works. I have, like you can see, almost finished like 2 of them. There are many more. I like, and my hands are gonna shiver. Please do not mind, it's just a condition. So I usually like anything that has mint in it, any strong smell. So this is eucalyptus mint. This is stress relief, which also has peppermint and eucalyptus. So this, and the next one that I will be using is this one, which is also stress relief. These are same. I mean, the basic has to be mint, eucalyptus or lemongrass. That's my like go-to base smell. So any of you guys want to gift me candles, you know what to do, and you know what to gift me, because candle is my go-to thing. Overacting nirta na karte product liye bola. So so past few months I have been having trouble in sleeping. So I came across this product and I wasn't sure whether I can use it. My instructor, the person who's trying to help me lose weight, PT Rajesh sir, suggested me this, but I wasn't sure. So I asked my psychiatrist whether I can use it, and he said it's safe. So I'm going to share it with you guys. This is called Setu Sleep Restore, sorry, and helps you fall asleep faster. And it has 30 strips which you can just put on your mouth and it calms you down. It's not like, you know, you'll use it and immediately you'll fall asleep, but it just calms you down. And if you keep distractions away, like if you keep your phone away and everything away, it would help you in sleeping. It contains melatonin, so that apparently helps in sleeping, and it's 100% natural. You will not have a habit forming nature, like you will not get addicted to it. I've been using this is my 3rd box, and there are days where I just sleep without this. So anyone who is traveling and struggling with jet lags or generally have issues with sleeping, they can try this out, and please talk to your doctor before you do. But as far as I am aware, this is 100% safe. So I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, so these 2 were my mental health related products of October favorite. Next is, it was festival season, right? And you would definitely go out and purchase saris or lehenga or salwar suit. So salwar suit has no problem, but saris and Lehenga always struggles with the top part, like the blouse or choli, and we always have this last minute purchase going on because we're like, we don't know what to buy, so we'll get a sari and then we want to get it stitched, and a tailor will be a problem, and you know there will be a lot of issues. So I came across, so I was going to this place, I was going to GK M Block Market, and I came across a street, like, you know, if you go walk straight, there is like a lot of small shops which does exclusive blouses, and they're really good, and it saves time and it's not that expensive. Like if you buy materials and get it stitched, it will cost you almost the same or more. So I got this blouse for a sari which I got from Nykaa. The sari has not come yet, so I'm just sitting with this blouse. It's funny, but anyway, so this is the blouse. All the guys are going to be like, hey, this is how it is. So this is the blouse I picked. It costed me 1,200. So even if I would have got it stitched somewhere, it's going to cost me same. It has a dori in behind. If you want it to be like patta, they would alter it according to your size and whatever you like. If you want a thick band, they will do that for you. So all you have to do is go there and check it out. They have a lot of varieties, lot of blings. It's a perfect place for wedding blouse shopping. Like if your friend's wedding is coming and you want to buy something, you can do that. Please go check it out. It's in GK1 M Block Market. You have to walk straight and you will find the place. Yay! So product number 4 is, so I came across these products, which is Camel Milk Shampoo and Conditioner. It is for dry hair, and I got it for dry hair, but they have oily hair, daily wash shampoos, so like, you know, you have to pick according to your likes. It is called Faith and Patience, so you should go check it out on Instagram. I think that's clear. Yeah, okay, you should. What happened? Kya ho raha hai? I don't know who did that. My dad wants to leave to his room. Yes, please go fast. This is the problem when you make videos at home. Anyway, so this is this is Faith and Patience. It's camel milk conditioner and conditioning shampoo. There's an oil with it as well, which I just remembered it's inside. I'll get it later and insert it maybe, but I don't want to get up right now and go get it. Anyway, so it's a 3 product kit. It costed me 2,500, which would be like average shampoo, conditioner and oil will, like, even if you get a branded like L'Oreal or any other brand, it will cost you almost the same. This might be slightly costly, but the thing is, it smells amazing and it actually softens it. My hair is very dry and winter it would get worse, and so this really helps. What I've noticed is the shampoo alone makes my hair very dry. I have to use all 3 products, so I don't think you have to spend on the shampoo, but do spend on the conditioner if you want to buy just one product. It smells great and it is very conditioning, and the bottle looks damn cute. So this there's an oil also, and I will get it later. So this was product number 4. Now I'm going to product number 5. Every month I will just pick 5 products because like it makes no sense if you just stuff in a lot of products just for the sake of it, right? So this I have spoken before. This is Pixie's Glow Tonic cleansing gel. This is my second tube. I have used this and then I moved to other products, and I have to tell you, like, if you have whiteheads, I have whitehead issues, I have pores, like I get small pimple kind of thing on my cheek, and it used to bother me, and I use a lot of product and it never works and never helps me much. But this one is magic. this really cleans and takes out all the dirt. It's very gentle on the face. Like, it's not like you will wash it, you will feel like your face is clean, but it will not feel dried and like you need a lot of moisturizer. It doesn't feel like that. And I really like, this is one product I can vouch for like blindly. It is expensive though. That's probably one reason why I thought of switching to another product. It's almost 2K, so this is expensive. I also wanted to buy other, like I was like, I can't spend so much, I need to get something else. And I tried other products, but nothing works as good as this one. And yeah, it's slightly expensive, but it would last you longer. You don't need a lot. This one is really good for my skin. It worked very, like if I have oily T-zone combination skin, so if you have combination skin, this will work well for you. My neighbor is on the phone, so I think you can hear her speak, maybe. It's okay. So this, Didi, I have to wait for her to get done. I don't know. Anyway, so this was our video. I hope you liked it. So every month I'm gonna come up with my favorites, and if you have any of your favorites you want us to recommend, comment below so that I can check it out and see if it's interesting and if it can go on our favorites. But for now, this is it.
സാരി ഇതിലൂടെ കൊടുക്കുന്നത് ഇതിലൂടെ കൊടുക്കോ
ഇത് ശതമാനം ടൈപ്പ് ആണോ പെർസെന്റേജ് സാരി കൊടുക്കുന്നത് പെർസെന്റേജ് ആയിട്ടാണോ അല്ല you know what is the percentage
You don't know. സാരി ഇങ്ങനെ നടുക്കി കൂടെയാണോ പോകുന്നത്? രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും 0 നടുക്കി കൂടെ വര.
പപ്പ പെർമിഷൻ തരുന്നെല്ലാം ചെയ്തു. ഓ മൈ ഗോഡ്, പിടിക്കാതെ എന്റെ തുണിയിൽ വേഷമൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെയാന്ന് കണ്ടോ?
എന്നാ കുഴപ്പം? എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായില്ല എന്നാ കുഴപ്പം.
ഇത്ര ഈ കെട്ട അഴിഞ്ഞു പോയാ
അഴിവോ അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അഴിവ് പോകണമെന്ന്
I hope you liked it. I am gonna be as consistent as I can. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel right now. Let the world know that I'm back making more videos. Yeah, I hope we be connected. I have started blogging also, so archanagavi.in has blogs which I would be writing once a week. That's the plan, but you never know, right? I can be myself. Like I can be like, I promise you, but I would not, but I'm trying my best. Okay, so this was the video. I hope you liked it. Share, like, subscribe right now. Press that button. Press that button if you haven't, and please tell your friends to follow me on Instagram and YouTube and spread the word and love. Thank you. Bye.